Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching News Point. So once again, I'm in my car. I'm going to run some errand and I thought I'll record the video. I made the video earlier about FSW draw and I thought I'll make the video about CEC draw as well. We'll take a look at the data and then see how many people are there in each range and then what the cutoff would be. We know that the cutoff last time was 400, so definitely it would be lower than that. Let's take a look at the numbers. For CEC people, we will look at the data further down as well. 461 to 470, about 10,000 people. 451 to 460, about 10,000 people. 441 to 450, 8,300. 431 to 440, 8,200. All of these people, the majority of them are FSW only, because PNP people, they are getting their, as soon as they're creating their profile, they are getting draws. So 431 to 400, 8,200 people. 421 to 430, 6,200 people. 411 to 420, 8,600 people. And 401 to 410, 10,000 people. So only from this range, which is from 401 to 417, some of these people would have been taken out. Other than that, majority of these people are non-CC people. They are FSW people, because otherwise they would have got their ITS after this draw only. So after this draw, we can maybe see a decrease of 14 to 1500, just like we saw in the previous draw in this range. Now we might see a decrease in these two ranges for about 1400 to 1500. And rest of the 3400 or 3000 people who got their ITS, or 4000 people who got their ITS, their score was higher than this range. Now, since the cutoff in the last draw was 400, so only people who are left in CEC category, they are in this range, 351 to 4000 and 300 to 350. And there are lots of people over here. There are about 87,000 people. However, we know that majority of these people are FSW people only. Why do we know that? Because when that big express entry draw happened, before that, CC people below 400 were about 70,000. That draw happened somewhere over here. When this draw happened, below 400, there were 7,700 people. And obviously all of these people, if they were CEC, they got their ITS. So we have to look at the numbers right after this draw, and that was 80,000. So obviously only 2-3,000 people which are added, they were the CEC people who created their profile. Everybody who was still here, they got their ITS when this draw happened and the cutoff was 75. And right now, if we look how many people are below 400, that is about 92,000. So that means all of these 12,000 people, I would say if not all, majority of, or a good majority of those are CEC people only, because non-CEC people, they cannot expect an ITA if their score is even below 400. Now what has happened is that everybody, earlier people would wait for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years experience, and when their numbers are like close to 450, 460, and they are close to whatever is the cutoff, then they would create their profile. But after this draw, the game has changed. So anybody who is in CEC category, if they have 1 year experience, they know that they can qualify for CEC category. So even if their score is 150 or even if their score is 400, so earlier they would have waited for 2 more years so that their score is significantly higher. But now, as soon as they are becoming eligible, they have created their profiles, because they know one CEC draws are happening one after the other. There's another chance that Government of Canada might do another big draw that they invite everybody who is in there in the pool. So that's why most of the people, they have created their profiles. If CC only draw happens, then I believe score would be between 375 to 380. What we have seen is that in each draw, 17 to 18 or 15 score is dropping. But now I would say that below 400, the number of people would be probably a bit more sparse. So I think if the CEC draw happens, the cutoff would be around 375 to 380. Hope you liked today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalamu alaikum.